able to go work up on this guy for any firearms? Affirm.
Astria 1, it is a match on the plate. We do have it parked on the property. It's backed into the property. It's facing northbound, backed into a horse trailer. Not hooked up to the trailer, but backed up next to it. Astro 1, I got a white male, blue hat, white shirt, blue jacket, walking back towards the vehicle now. Looks like he's loading something up in the horse trailer or possibly the excursion. Yeah, looks like a match for your suspect.
10 for a male walking, loading something in the vehicle in the trailer. We're going to keep the air clear.
So he's out by the vehicle. Vehicle's on the eastern edge of the property. He's loading something into the rear side of the driver's side, rear door of the driver's side. And looks like he's getting in the driver's side, looking up at us. You're going to keep going. You're going to go past the houses on your left. There's a little dirt turnout, like a gravel road on your right-hand side. You take that, you nose in there, you're going to be face on with him standing by his barn.
10 for eyes on. 10 for eyes on Astria, such as Frank Brower.
Alright, several units, 9751 on the suspect.
Several units, 97, eyes on the subject.
Alright, opening the rear door to the driver's side of his vehicle.
10 for opening the rear door on the driver's side.
Alright, they're still addressing him. He's still by the driver's side door, no movement yet.
10 for units still addressing the subject. So
Digging around in the rear of the vehicle right now.
subject going to the rear of the vehicle, 10 for.
Looks like they're deploying some less lethal. Reaching for something in the car. Looks like he may have a rifle or something in that door, guys. Take cover.
10 for deploying less lethal.
Okay, he's armed with a gun. Looks like shots fired.
10 for shots fired on LaCresta. Suspect down. 10 for shots fired. Suspect down 800 LaCresta Boulevard.
That one right there. San Diego PD, hands up! Hands up right there. Do not go into the vehicle. Do not go into the vehicle. Do not open. Hands up! Hands up! Hey, do not do that. Hands up! Hands up! Do not reach into the vehicle, you will be shot! You're gonna get shot! Hands up! Walk back towards us! Do not reach into anything! You will be shot! You will be shot! Hands up! Get your hands on the car! Hey, I see something in his right pocket. He's got a rifle! Dude, hey! Beam back him, beam back. Hey, hands up, beam back him! Again, beam back him! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hit him again. Get on the ground! On the ground! He's still reaching. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspects down. Away from the gun!